Turn on the lights. Ooh, wait. You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me?
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G.
What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on? What's going on, fam? What's going on? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day, like I always say. So if it's a beautiful day, why not go out and work on your dreams? Why not go out and work on your goals? Why not go out and work on yourself? You hear me? Another day above ground equals another opportunity to go out there and boss up, fam. It's not gonna fall in your lap. Just a little motivation, you hear me? Just a little motivation. Get up out there and get it. It's not gonna fall in your lap, man. It's out there. Get on your grind and get it. Feel me? It's a beautiful day, man. We above ground, baby. We above ground. A lot of people didn't wake up today. A lot of people ain't above ground today, you feel me? So we above ground, so that's another opportunity to get out there and get it. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in today, man. Y'all already know we down south, home base, you hear me? And the boys is putting in that work. We came first to the booth because it was a car got sprayed yesterday, and we didn't get that footage because we had to take off. So we came straight to the booth first to see, you feel me, that muyakness, you feel me, that getting painted alert. We came straight to the booth with it, you feel me? Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. If you're new to the channel, watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, turn on the post notifications, you hear me? Turn on them post notifications because you don't want to miss the content that we post, because we post content often and the content we post be fire. That's real talk, you feel me? That's real spill, you hear me? And you definitely don't want to miss the content we post because we doing a Donk giveaway. We giving away a 1973 two-door hardtop, very solid starter Donk, man. Notice I said starter Donk. It's a starter Donk, meaning that we not giving away a fully built Donk. We giving a starter Donk, but it's solid. It's not a rust bucket, you feel me? Solid floors, solid trunk pans, solid quarters. It's a great starting point. Whoever from DPF win this Donk, boy, you got you a great starting point coming your way. You feel me? We giving it away once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. For a chance to win this Donk, all you have to do is subscribe to Donk Planet YouTube channel. Click that notification bell, select all, turn on the post notifications. Very imperative that you turn on the post notifications because part of the requirements is watching and comment on videos on Donk Planet YouTube channel. So the notifications must be turned on so when we post videos, you can know when to go watch and comment, you feel me? Also, you gotta spread the word and tell everybody you know that like Donks about the Donk Planet Donk giveaway. Tell them to subscribe for their chances to win. The more people you tell, the more people subscribe, the quicker we get to 200,000. Right now, we currently have about 43,000 subscribers. We got a long road ahead of us. We need about 150-something thousand more, you hear me? We got a long road ahead of us, but I'm here to make that trip, man. It's all good, you feel me? Things don't come easy. Anything worth having don't come easy, you feel me? So, I'm here. Hope y'all here for the ride, man. Shout out to all the DPF out there, all the ones that support us. Donk Planet family, you feel me? All that, man. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all, man. Also, check out Donk Planet Patreon. Check out all the links in the description of this video, man. I don't know if I go through every link that I got in the description of all the videos, or if this video, like, the talking would probably get extended a little longer. So y'all just check out the links in the description of this video, man. You feel me? It's a lot of little things going on. Just check out them links, man. You might find something you like, you feel me? Other than that, man, let's get into this video. Let's go in the booth. Let's see what got sprayed, man. All right, fam, we at the booth. Car just got sprayed yesterday. Got some other things in here as well, you feel me? We got this Porsche right here. This car is getting sprayed by somebody else. It's not getting sprayed by Sudi, just showing it since it's here. How many of you guys out there like Porsches, man? Y'all drop them comments, man. When it comes to them, what they call them, supercars? Any of you guys out there is fans of Porsches? When it comes to the supercars or what? And over here we got them still working on this 75, getting this 75 together. Where my 75 lovers at, man, this one for y'all. Just showing y'all what they working on before we go in the booth. It's coming together, it's coming together. '75 game, man. It's a lot of 75s, boys. A lot of people dropping 75s out here, man. For real. I can't wait to see what color they going with. I currently don't know what color they going with on this car, but it should definitely be nice. It's probably most likely going to be candy. But anyway, let's go in the booth. Let's see what got sprayed today, or yesterday rather. Y'all see me, man, where am I? Motivational purpose only, man. You gotta brand yourself, man. Turn on the lights. Ooh, wait. Y'all ready for this one? Here we go. Where the Gbody gang at, man? Monte Carlo SS. Monte Carlo SS, you hear me? Where them Gbody lovers at? This for y'all. I like the Monte Carlos too now. Spray that thing silver, you hear me? What y'all think? Y'all drop them comments. Say Muya. Monte Carlo, what's up? I used to have a Monte Carlo back in the days. I think I told that story before, but for those who are new to the channel, I had like an 85 Monte Carlo, but I had the one with the ugly front. I didn't necessarily want it, but at the time, I got a good deal on it, so I bought it. But my favorite Monte Carlo when it comes to these old body styles is the SS front and the one with the luxury sport front. I don't too much care for the one for the ugly front, but I had got it at a deal where I couldn't refuse, you feel me? So I just got it. It was clean. The one I had, it was clean, but that ugly front, man, I just don't like it. I call it the ugly front. I can't wait to see what it look like when they done with it. I wonder if you putting feet on here and all that. Yes, sir. Gbody gang, man. But yeah, fam, y'all see what's going on, man. The boys putting in that work. We had to come to the booth first and show you guys what they working on. You feel me? You seen the 75 in here getting worked on, and now you see the Monte Carlo got sprayed, looking good. You feel me? Now we on our way back to the shop and see what kind of work is being put in over there. Let's go. All right, fam. We back at the shop. Got some moving around going on here. Y'all see the 73 already. 73 that's getting worked on.
Now we gotta bring in the that one. We need 3.
With that work coming along. I was putting in that work, yeah. That's 7 tray vert. 72 hard top. 74 vert. What's good? What's going on? Vert. That work gets put in, yeah. You got the cutlass over there on that side. See over there on the cutlass, they was doing the on the side over there above the quarter. There was some rust. They had to cut it out and put some new metal there.
Oh man.
Then over here we got the Gbody. What a Gbody lover. This Gbody got painted. It's a Buick Regal. Candy root beer. That sun ain't hitting it enough on this side right here. But it is mouillot though, yeah. It's a bit dusty, need to be cleaned off. But y'all get the picture. Bit mouillot. That behind the scenes footage, man. That behind the scenes footage of the cars we put in the game. Where my Buick Regal lovers at? Gbody lovers, man. This thing right here, mouillot though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This thing right here look good on some all golds if you ask me. Feel me? That root beer with some all gold wheels on there. Thing will be sweet. But yeah, fam, y'all see what's going on, you hear me? Them boys putting in that work. That work being put in, man. Like I said, man, y'all just see the prettiest side of things on social media. All these cars got a story behind it, you feel me? And you feel me? It's not easy. It ain't easy. So y'all see what's going on, that work being put in, man. Until next time, keep it locked right here. Don't plan to lie behind the scenes, y'all hear me?